Welcome to my short vlog. Yeah, short vlog muna to. So, nandito pa ako sa school, kaya... Oh gosh, tinamaan nito. Tinamaan na tong person na to. Which is my environment. So, gagawin namin is computer. Maya, di pa kami nakakalabas eh. Nandito pa kami. Inihintay ko tong person na to. At yung cameraman person. Oh. Yan lang, pause lang. Okay, ayun na. Ayos namin. See? Okay. Nice!
Wow, lumabas tayo. Nawala it.
Oh gosh. Nakipag fist bump sa guard. Ayos. So, ito, naglalakad na kami.
Hey guys, nag-vlog kami today. Ito nga ang aking alahas, labor or the labor.
Laborda.
The labor child. Yeah. Gangster in the house.
Yes.
As a walk there, left child in the
Yeah, we're walking through to the computer. Kung hindi nyo alam, nasa Las Piñas kami.
MTV na sila bro, MTV.
TV.
Uy, may mewing pa yan, no?
Uy! This is our black. I know that sounds racist.
Pag kayo nakita ng pusang piling, di ba malas? Paano kaya pag yung pusang nakakita ng itim na
What? Yes, pupunta kami. Las Piñas. Ay, lalakad. And pupunta rin kami sa mall. Just see you guys soon there. And we're almost there. Mga 30 minutes yung lakad. May isang boy kami na naghihintay sa amin. From school to here, SM Southmore. Ayos. 30 minutes yung lakad. Pero worth it. Worth it yung paglalakad. So look at that. Oh gosh, my camera is just not right. Yeah. Ano, puro Chinese. We are here at SM Southmore right now. Ano pinakanta nito? Uy, no, we're not showing that. We're not. Yeah, we're family friendly. Look at that, bro. Yeah, dito yung mall namin sa Las Piñas. Dun ba? Oh. Wow, dito. We're here at food court. Dun yung food court. I'm here with my boys. Plus my boy right there, nandoon pa. Two treadmills. Ayos. I apologize that I'm bad a vlogger. Kasi parang pinurse time ko na rin mag-vlog. Oh, yun nata. Yan yata. Where that guy, dude? Where that guy? Where that dude? That yun guy. Katabi ba lang sila? Ayun! That guy. What's up, dude? Oh.
Wala to dun. Nag-gym to.
Oh. Uy! They're doing a perfect dab.
Tara na.
Tara, yo. Yo.
Nagko-vlog.
We have here that guy. But no glasses. You know, this guy is muscular guys. Yeah, nag-gym sila. Oh. Di na. Ako na at sarili ko lang muna. Yan.
Hi mo naman kami dyan. Hi.
Medyo.
The goat. And the black one.
The goat in the back.
The chosen black one.
That's how.
And the Asian one, the cutie pie.
The chosen black one in our section. Yes. Yeah, chosen one talaga sa ng black. I know that sounds racist, but YouTube, please don't delete this video. So yeah, escalate. Oh, ang ginagawa nito. What the heck? Matay. Maipit ako dito eh. Huwag lang mapapaipit, kids. Baba ulit kami. Oh gosh, ang liwanag. Yeah, we're outside. Alright. Japanese. Alright. Watashi wa rarka suji desu. I'm still working on my voice. Yo. Kung nakapunta na kayo, yes. Yeah, ito yung original. Wow, black I don't want those na mag-picture sa dito. Oh my gosh, ang liwanag. Yes. Iikot kami at pupunta sa tinatawag na Pilar Las Piñas. Alam mo, ilang beses na ako nakapunta dito. Lagi ko nakikita yung kotse na yung Hyundai. I wanna tell a story so bad though. We are in the Eurotex with that. No. We're not there. We're not proceeding that word. Okay. Yep, dito kami didiretso sa Rafi na yan. Dito ang tawag na pila. My camera skills are bad. Ba't nauuna tong nakabandaan? I cannot stabilize this, guys. But I apologize. Okay? I'm a bad vlogger, boy. Ay, yung dalawa. At nandiyan silang mawid. Sige, tatawid lang na. Ay, malapit na kami. Ayan na, oh. Nandiyan na. It's code 923. I don't know. Dito yata. Is it bago? What the heck? Dito pala. Oh. Okay. It's kind of a bit upgrade. We're upgrading. We're going to our... Oh gosh. We're going to our... Ooh. Okay. Okay, wait. Yes. Yan o. Tabi-tabi tayo. Yan o. We have a bit of an upgrade. We really are in a computer shop, bro. You know, I always go to the settings. It's this one. Best appearance. I like to be how it smooths. Smooth moves. May Roblox, oh. Roblox channel soon. Uy, grabe yan yung 165. 165 hertz? Okay, wait. Oh, ako nga pala may pala ipapakita sa inyo, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This PC has monitor number of 164. Yan o, ina-open na. Mag-install na ako ng recording software dito, kaya stay tuned of the Roblox, I guess. Let's go! Oh gosh. Oh, nag-FB. Oy! Oh, yan na tayo.
Wait lang, may na-start.
Yan. Bye tayo. May 60 credits na. May 60 na ako. Do we stick together or ano lang? Yan, na-proceed checkout na ako. Gusto mo na durut. Sinara ko yung pin code.
Ano nangyari? Ano yan sa akin? Nag-glitch ako.
Nasirat. Wala, nag-glitch. Wake up. Bro. Mwah! We're finished recording. Finished recording. Hey! Ito, naglalaro pa to. Jay! Nagtenga ko. Yeah, short vlog lang naman to eh.
Next time ulit.
Yes, sir! So, meron pa naman akong ilang oras para mag-out dito. Tapos, tatapusin ko na rin tong video pag nag-out na kami.
Si Lark ay sad boy.
Yeah, like I really am. Oh.
He needs a partner.
What
kind of partner?
Sorry.
A man.
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's okay. So anyways, babalik ako kayo. Then, out na kami. Yeah, we're out na. Finally, we're out. 2 p.m. na eh. We have to go now and go home. Yes. We're down to 2 with my black.
Wala na lang kaming uuwi, guys.
Yeah, uuwi na. Oh, it's so tired, but it's worth it. We're going on a jeep and I'm doing the outro. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. So don't forget to subscribe to my main channel. Like with, doon ako nagpo-post ng Minecraft doon. Kung na-enjoy nyo, leave a like. Peace. See you guys in the next video. Peace out. Oh gosh. Peace out. Peace.
Hey, go Lark. Hey.
Well, I'm not that good. Whoosh. What? Yeah, as we speak. Yeah, nandito ako sa jeep.